Pali here. Welcome to part 2 of our post-processing of the Cannon Beach image we started. So the next step is to look at this image and just kind of picture where you want to take this photo to. And looking at this it's pretty good. I like to keep everything as natural as possible without going too much overboard on any one setting. So our next step is we're going to open up the shadows a little bit just to see some little detail in the center haystack rock here. So that's opened up now, and also once you do that, the skies got a little bit brighter, but we'll deal with that as we go. I'm going to add a little bit of clarity to it, and I usually work my way down on the right hand column. Just a touch of vibrance. And maybe just a little bit of saturation. And that's pretty well what I saw on the day that we were out there. People walking, nice, beautiful day, sunny day, a little bit of breeze in the air. So going down, taking the next step down, again, is just, looking at the tonal curve, maybe just give it just a tad of an S curve in there. And that just brings more detail up in the front here. I'm not sure if you're able to see it on your screen, but it's, and again, you can see the people, walking through a little bit of color. And going down, the next step is I usually go down to the detail. I usually like to add a little bit of sharpening, and that's, with this image, the sky can stand a little bit in clouds, and but most of it would be just along the front here. Just a tad sharpening, not too much. I usually just add just a hair of noise removal. There's always a little bit of noise in every image pretty well. Then I move down to lens correction. And here, normally I have a preset on import that would remove the chromatic aberration. In this case, I didn't do that on this particular image. And also enable the profile, for my camera. So that's all set, ready to go. Next one is transform. If it's out of sync a little bit there, just kind of level it automatic. It will level the photo out for you. Going down to the effects. Just about every one of my images, if you look at it, I have a tendency to just give it a little bit of vignette, and that's what we've done here. And to me, the image looks a little on an angle still, so let me just make sure that we are on there. That's better. We've managed that. Now again, there, that's pretty well it, for the image. That's natural. That I would send off to my stock companies to deal with the images. It's pretty well ready to go. I don't do anything else. From here on you can end up enhancing it a little bit, doing some different versions to this image, but this is where I would leave it for currently. And from here, we'll do a little bit more enhancement on the next part 3 and just kind of finish it off, give it that little artsy look to it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.